Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start with two essentials, a bootable USB and a backup. Create the USB with the correct image and settings, FAT32 for 2TB compatibility or NTFS when needed, and verify the drive boots on another PC. Once done, fully shut down the Surface Laptop 4. Press and hold volume up, then press power briefly. Keep holding volume up until the UEFI screen appears. This gets you into firmware where boot order and secure boot live, so you can make the changes that follow. You're now in UEFI, navigate to boot configuration and set the USB as the first device. If your installer isn't signed, disable Secure Boot. You must understand this reduces firmware protections temporarily. Make note of the previous settings so you can restore them. Also check that USB ports are enabled and Wake from USB is allowed. Save and exit. The Surface will reboot and should attempt to boot from the USB. If it doesn't, return to UEFI and double-check the ordering and port state. You will see the installer. Choose the correct drive and partition scheme, GPT for UEFI, and proceed with the setup. Once the OS is installed, remove the USB and allow the Surface to boot from internal storage. Then reinstall drivers and run Windows Update to ensure hardware functions properly. Finally, return to UEFI and re-enable Secure Boot if you disabled it. If the Surface won't boot from the USB, retry another USB port, recreate the media with a different tool, or inspect the image integrity. That usually fixes failures.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.